Hi, I'm Aubrey.
And I'm Amy.
And
you're watching FoodMania Review.
FoodMania Review!
And today,
we're reviewing a box from China that someone sent us.
yay! A fan from China sent us a box of stuff. Let's see what's inside.
Oh my gosh.
Aubrey, look. Cucumber.
Pringle thingy?
They're like Pringles, but yeah. Oh
Well, it's actually Lay's, Mom.
I think it's all just the same company, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Like seafoody.
I think they're shrimpy. And then this one, I think these are cookies.
Look, they're called hot strip.
Hot strip.
That sounds a little dirty. Those look like
these are
rice biscuits.
Wheat cookies, maybe?
Oh yeah, wheat.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
All right.
What should we start with?
I think maybe these.
No, if you want to start with spicy stuff, because our mouth is going to be really spicy the whole entire video. We'll start with the Lay's stacks.
Cucumber Lays.
They call them stacks. Stacks. So this is cucumber flavored.
Oh, they got a little crushed in transit. Because I think they come in a, whoa.
Oh my god.
Two. They come in a little sleeve like this, and look, they are pretty much just ground into tiny pieces. It got really shaken up, but we still can eat it.
I don't know, it smells like a cucumber chip.
It does smell like cucumbers. All right, here we go.
It's not really, really good, and it's not really, really bad.
It's different. All right, what did you, those were weird. Because they were mostly potato chippy flavored, just like a regular Pringle, like a plain one.
A hint.
Yeah, with a hint of cucumber. It's like a spa chip. Instead of spa water.
I'm gonna eat the crumbs off
The spa chip. That's Lay's Stacks cucumber. I've never seen those before. I wonder if you can only get them in China. Have you seen them anywhere else? Asians? This one next.
Snoot. Oh, I'm talking to Ruby, not the camera. When I say snoot, I'm talking about Ruby.
This is a lot.
I know, it's like a month's supply of cookies.
These look like
these are the rice cookies. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I've had these before. They're like, we had Japanese ones before, I think.
I like these ones.
They're like little rice biscuits, and they're really crunchy and light.
Mom, there's a tear there. So.
Oh, I was trying to tear from the other end because it's all broken on that end, but okay. Okay, ready?
Oh yeah, I've tried these before.
1, 2, 3. Oh, I think I just inhaled some of the dust. Oh, it has kind of like
I love these things. They're
like soy sauce or something, or?
I feel like I could eat a lot of them.
There's some kind of like a sweet and savory kind of coating on it. I don't know what it is, but it starts sweet. When you first bite it, it tastes like sugar, and then it tastes a little bit salty.
It tastes really good. I like it.
Like soy sauce. I like it too.
I have vegetables. I'm saving this one for the movies tonight.
Oh, really? Because we don't have any. These are good. Obviously, we can't read this, but whatever these are, they're really tasty. And then also, I don't have the name of who sent these. I have it in an email, but my email is on my phone, and my phone is what's videoing us right now. So anywho, I'll put it in the description down below. We want to thank that person for sending this stuff.
Yeah,
now,
the spicy thing.
The hot strips. We think it's spicy.
So
oh wait,
what is it?
There's a picture on the back, and they do look spicy.
Well, there's pepper on it, so
yeah, because it looks like it has pepper
it's bound
flakes
to be
on
spicy. And I think it's fishy, right?
Well, it might be because I don't know. I saw a fish down here, but I don't know. I thought it was a squid at first, but it's just a fish. So
these things are huge.
Whoa. Are these different things? Is that the same or different?
No, they're not the same thing, I don't think.
They look the same.
Yeah, okay.
They are the same. I think it's just big packages and little packages.
Oh, okay. A package
that face? What's Aubrey's
That?
face? Now you win.
I don't know what to think of it. Do you know?
No.
See, it's weird. Even you're like,
It's
oh.
spicy. Ooh. It smells pretty spicy, but it's like a.
It smells like good, but I don't know if I want to eat it.
Our dog is like, I smell something because it's a
Wooby, come over.
it's a
here.
strong
Come over
smell.
here.
Okay, they're sticks.
I'm petting the dog.
They look like this. Should we do like what's that movie?
No. No.
Lady and the
no.
Tramp?
No.
Oh,
you're chewy.
it's chewy. I thought it was gonna be crunchy. I don't know what to make of this. It's really different. It is spicy. I don't know what the flavor is at all. I thought it was gonna be crunchy like a chip or like a potato stick or something, but it's not.
Yeah. What is enough?
I can't tell what it's made out of because we can't read anything. Okay, you guys, what is this? Are we eating an animal? Are we eating, I can't, is it rice? Is it potato? Is it?
I don't know, but I like these things better. Would you eat more of those?
Under the right circumstances. A little spicy. And it's hot, and it's savory, and it's chewy, like I feel like I'm eating a piece of straw. This is very interesting. This hot strip
If anybody
from
knows what they
China.
are,
Do tell us
in the
about
comment
these hot
section.
strips. I really want to know what they're made of. It doesn't taste seafoody. I thought maybe it was going to be like squid strips. And maybe it's something seafoody because it's got that consistency a little bit, like that chewiness, but it doesn't taste fishy.
I don't know. But I don't like it that much.
It's a great mystery. I kind of like it, but I can't imagine eating quite that many.
Like, how many would you eat?
A few. Well, we will definitely share these with friends. We should have a contest where we'll send these out to people because we have all these little mini bags too. This is like snack size bags and this is more like a sharing size bag.
Yeah, like a couple years ago or maybe last year, we did like a contest thingy.
Where we gave away, we sent to one winner all of our like packaged leftovers that we had. It was a good box. It had a bunch of candy and chips and stuff in it. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Maybe we'll do a contest. We'll let you know. We'll get an idea and we'll let you know. This was pretty cool. These were snacks from China. I'm sorry, I forgot your name off the top of my head. I have it in my email, but I'm gonna put it down in the comments or we'll put it somewhere on the screen. And thank you so much for sending this. We love trying this stuff. This was definitely different from anything we've ever had before.
Yeah, I can't think of anything like it.
No, not even close. So thank you so much. It's so fun to try things that are new and different for us. If you would like to send us something from where you live, you can send us an email at foodmaniareview@gmail.com and then we'll let you know how to get a package to us. Thank you for watching, you guys. Please
like,
subscribe,
share,
comment, all those good things. And thank you for watching.
I'm Amy.
You're not Amy. I'm Amy.
Wait, it's usually because you say I'm Amy. I'm not Amy.
And I'm not Aubrey. And
you're
you've been watching. You have been watching.
FoodMania
FoodMania Review.